Hello friends, myself Chandani Abad here to introduce you pointers topic using C language. Many students are afraid of pointers. If we go through basic, it is easy to understand and can use easily. Let us start with introduction. Pointers. Using pointers, we can access information from the memory location. Otherwise, what happens? We access the information using our variable names. Here, we will use memory location of the data to access the various or update the data at that location. Like normal variable, pointers are also need to be declared. Syntax is very much similar to your variable declaration. Data type, then asterisk and identifier. So data type like your integer, float, double, character. Then identifier is your the name given to variable. And the main difference is the asterisk or we can say star. Okay, so this asterisk give you extra power to the variable to become a pointer and act as a pointer. Okay, let us take one example. So here I have declared x is as a pointer by giving asterisk in front of it. So int asterisk x. So now here x act as a pointer. Next is in this pointer topic we are going to use various operators like ampersand and asterisk. So ampersand give you address of that variable and asterisk give you the data at that address. This is like vice versa. Here pointers have two types, typed and untyped. Type indicates data type of that pointer, integer, character, double, like that. Here integer data type pointer can link to integer data type variable only. Likewise, data type is has to be same for linking the pointers and variable, integer to integer, character to character. Mixing is not allowed in pointers. One more type of pointer is untyped, where it is void pointer and it can access data of any data type. Okay, so this example int star x indicates typed pointer having data type as integer and it can access to only integer variable or can be linked to the integer data type variables only. Let us start with example. This is the basic skeleton of C program. Then I have declared a variable x having the value 500. So let us draw a memory map for it. Variable x having value 500. Let us say it is stored at memory location 648. This is for example. Then int asterisk pointer. So this asterisk indicates this PTR will act as a pointer and can store information or can link to the variable of the data type integer only. Let us draw the memory map for it. A place pointer is map having its own address 261. Now I will assign or link these two things together. So address of x is now stored in a PTR. So what is the address of x? 648 will be copied to the PTR. Okay, and this is how PTR is linked to the x and PTR has asterisk at the time of declaration. Hence, it can have address inside it. Okay, so this is the extra power given by asterisk and will act as a pointer and not a variable. Now, pointer is assigned to x variable. We will check various value related to two variables x and PTR. Okay, So this memory map is very much important, from which we will get the data exactly. First of all, if I print x, I will get the value of x. What is that? 500. And if I print ampersand of x, that means address or memory location of variable x. And what is that? 648. Now PTR. So if it is star PTR, then it means data at the location stored by PTR. So PTR stores the location 648 and data on that location is 500. So you will get 500 as output for star PTR. Okay, so star PTR is equal to X only. Then next is PTR. If I print only PTR, okay, so it will give its data. And what is that? Address of X. And what is that? 648. Next one is ampersand PTR. So it says address of PTR itself. So the address of PTR is clearly shown in the animation, that is 261. Okay, so here all the concepts are clear. What is X, what is ampersand X, what is PTR and star PTR and ampersand PTR. We'll check the output one more time. This is how it comes. X and star PTR is the one and the same thing. Then you have ampersand X, then PTR, then ampersand PTR, and how data flows. I hope you understand this example. Now let us run this example. Please observe the output here. Okay. Important thing to be observed in this example is when we are dealing with address of anything, it should be print as ampersand u. Ampersand u indicates unsigned variable. Okay, and address is always positive entity, hence we should not give ampersand d as an integer. It is always positive integer, hence it should be mentioned as ampersand u for better accuracy. Thank you everyone for watching this video.